Welcome to Tickera video tutorials. Today we're gonna learn how to install the premium version of Tickera, which consists of downloading Tickera, uploading it, activating the plugin, and activating the license. After that, we will see how to install other Tickera add-ons. Head over to Tickera website tickera.com and in the menu click on My Account. If you're not logged in on the website, you will be asked to do so. When you have done so, you will be met with your account panel. Click on the download section, search for Tickera and click download. The download will start automatically and you will be met with the license key pop-up dialog. Copy the license key. If you don't copy it now, you will be able to find all the license keys in the licenses section here. After downloading Tickera, go to the WordPress administration page of the website that you want to install Tickera. For me, it is localhost. In the left menu, click Plugins and click on the Add New link, which will take you to a page where you can install new plugins. Here at the top, you're gonna click the Upload Plugin button. Navigate to the place where you have downloaded Tickera zip file and select it. When the installation is finished, WordPress will ask us if we want to activate the plugin, and we will do so. This is where the license key from the beginning comes to play. If you copied it, you just need to paste it in the license box here. Click Agree and Activate License. When activated, Installation Wizard will appear. In just a few steps, it will set up some default options for you. It's a nifty feature that will do the heavy lifting for us. For this demonstration, we will use the standalone version of Tickera. But if you want to use Tickera with WooCommerce, select WooCommerce plus Tickera. We will proceed with the standalone version. Click Continue, and on the next screen, there are some basic settings where you can set currency, currency symbol, currency position, price format, and taxes. You can also change these options later in Tickera settings. The Pages Setup Options screen will set up all the Tickera pages that are needed for Tickera to work properly. You can change the names later in the WordPress Pages section. On the next screen, check in applications. Tickera informs you which apps to use to check in your attendees. Click Continue and we are done with the installation wizard. Easy, right? To quickly and easily install any additional add-ons, head over to Tickera account. At that screen, you will see your account details and just under it, the list of available add-ons. If you have purchased a standard Tickera version or you have a free version of Tickera, you will be offered to buy some of these add-ons. For bundle or a lifetime license, you can install and activate add-ons in a matter of seconds. Just click on Install Now, wait a few seconds and click Activate the plugin, and there you have it. All of the plugins you have activated will appear in the WordPress plugins section. That's all you need to know about installing Tickera and its add-ons. Make sure to subscribe in order to see the latest Tickera tutorials. Thank you.